Seagull. Seagulls, also known as gulls, are seabirds found near coastlines and inland bodies of water. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, from beaches to urban areas. Seagulls have a distinctive appearance, with white plumage, gray wings, and often yellow beaks. Their diet is diverse, consisting of fish, small marine creatures, insects, and even scavenged human food. Seagulls are known for their opportunistic feeding behavior, often scavenging at garbage dumps and picnic areas. They have excellent vision and can spot potential food sources from the air. Seagulls are strong flyers and can cover long distances during migration and foraging. Their vocalizations vary between species, with calls that can range from squawks to melodic cries. Some species of seagulls are known for their graceful and agile flight, while others are more robust and powerful. Seagulls are social birds and often congregate in large groups. They build nests on the ground or cliffs, using twigs, grass, and other materials. Seagulls are known to engage in complex courtship displays and rituals. The herring gull is one of the most common seagull species in North America and Europe. Seagulls have specialized glands to excrete excess salt, as they primarily drink seawater. Conservation efforts aim to protect seagull populations and their coastal habitats.